Hello, grade 6 students. Hope you're doing well. So you remember today in class, we were solving this worksheet, the reading comprehension diagnostic worksheet. So in part one, you have to read this paragraph. It says the following. Head injuries account for between 4% and 22% of all soccer injuries. These can result in concussions. A concussion may occur when someone's head strikes an object. The most common cause of a concussion during soccer is when one player's head strikes another player's head. The second most common cause of soccer-related concussions is when the ball is kicked from close range and hits a player's head. Heading the ball does not cause head injuries as long as it is done properly. And you remember that we discussed in class what a concussion means. So a concussion, you gave different ideas like a head injury that happens when someone's head strikes another person's head or an object. So here you have to fill in this graphic organizer with 3 causes of head injuries, and you all had them right. So the first cause was when someone's head strikes an object. So when someone's head strikes or hits an object, this causes a concussion. The second cause is when one player's head strikes another player's head. And the third cause is when the ball is kicked from close range and hits a player's head. These are the 3 causes or the 3 factors that can cause a concussion or a head injury. Now, part B, you had to answer the following questions based on the above paragraph using complete sentences of your own. We already solved also this part. So based on the information in the text, what do you think a concussion is? You also gave different ideas. So here is one similar to what you said. A concussion can result from head injuries. So also the head injuries are the result of the 3 causes that we mentioned above when someone's head strikes something or someone. So a concussion can result from head injuries. It occurs when someone's head strikes something or someone. The second part, you have to answer the following questions. What genre of text is the above paragraph? And you have to choose the right answer and justify. Is that paragraph a fiction? Means, is it not real? Is it informative? Means it provides information. Is it a biography telling us about the personal life of someone, or narrative narrating a story? So you have already answered that also in class. It's informative, and the reason is it was providing information about concussions and their causes. That's why it's informative. Part 2, it's about the types of sentences. You have to choose the correct answer. Number 1, which type of sentence must end with a question mark? Is it interrogative, imperative, or exclamatory? Interrogative, because an interrogative sentence asks a question and ends with a question mark. Number 2, a sentence that's used to give someone an order or a command is an imperative sentence. An imperative sentence is a sentence we write to give someone an order or a command to do something. For example, bring me my water bottle. I'm asking someone, I'm commanding someone to bring me my water bottle. That's why it's called an imperative sentence. Number 3, the function of a declarative sentence is to tell someone about something. So the declarative sentence, we make a statement and we tell something. For example, I like the color red. In this sentence, I'm telling a statement. It's a statement, and I'm telling you about my favorite color, for example, which is red. Or I ate ice cream. I ate ice cream. This is a statement. I'm telling you what I ate, which is ice cream. This would be a declarative sentence. Number 4, what does an exclamatory sentence usually end with? An exclamatory sentence, remember, is a sentence that shows a strong feeling and ends with an exclamation mark. So it must end with an exclamation mark, not a full stop and not a question mark. Number 5, if someone tells you, sit down and be quiet, exclamation mark. What type of sentence is this? This is an imperative sentence because someone is commanding you, someone is asking you to do something, to sit down and to be quiet. And remember, we said that imperative sentences can either end with a point or an exclamation mark. So in this case, it's ending with an exclamation mark and it's commanding someone to sit down and stay quiet. That's why it's an imperative sentence. Number 6, which of these sentence types often begins with the subject? Declarative, imperative, or exclamatory? You remember when I gave you the example, I ate ice cream. I is the subject. Ate is the verb. Ice cream is the object. So I ate ice cream is a statement. And when we say a statement to tell someone something, this would be a declarative sentence. So the declarative sentence is the sentence that starts or begins with a subject, like I ate ice cream. Sally went to the school. All right. Number 7, which is an exclamatory sentence. He's so cute with an exclamation mark. Isn't he cute with a question mark? How cute he is with an exclamation mark. In class also we said that it's number C. Why? Why is it not number or part B? Because B is a question and ends with a question mark. Why is it not A? A is making a statement, he's so cute, all right? However, number C is showing a stronger feeling than A. How cute he is. You see how cute he is, ending with an exclamation mark. This is why it's an exclamatory sentence. Number 8, the usual form of a declarative sentence is to make a statement, a subject verb, or a period or full stop. What's the right answer? Remember in class, we said the form of the sentence means like the structure. What does it start with? We said it starts with a subject and then a verb. That's why the form of a declarative sentence is subject verb. Why is it not also parts A and C? It's true that a declarative sentence makes a statement and ends with a period. However, in this question, they are asking about the form of the sentence. So the sentence starts with the subject and then comes the verb. That's why the form is subject verb. All right. So this is the worksheet or the parts that we solved, and these are the solutions. Now for this part, part B, you have it as a homework. You have to write 6 to 7 sentence paragraph using all all 4 types of sentences, talking about how it felt to be studying online the past 2 years. Write a suitable title for your paragraph. So you see this small line at the middle, you write your title here, and then you have these lines. You have to write about 6 to 7 sentences, including the 4 different types of sentences, which means you have to write declarative sentences, imperative sentences, interrogative sentences, and exclamatory sentences. You have to say statements, you have to show feelings, you have to ask questions, and you have to command someone to do something. You have to include all these 4 types of sentences in your paragraph, 6 to 7 lines paragraph. So this part B is the homework for this week, okay?